Assalamu alaikum. I am Donald Blome, and I'm honored to represent the United States as the new ambassador to Pakistan. We are proud of our long-standing partnership with Pakistan. In fact, our relationship began 75 years ago, very shortly after Pakistan gained its independence. We live today in a world full of challenges, and we can address those challenges most effectively by working together side by side. I look forward to deepening the connections between the Pakistani and American people, which have a rich history and an even brighter future. I also look forward to exploring Pakistan from Karachi to Lahore, Peshawar to Gilgit-Baltistan, and all the places in between. Today, I had my first encounter with Pakistan's historic jingle trucks and learned about the art and artists who have made this such a distinct and characteristic art form in Pakistan. This is riding in style. I hope I have the chance to meet some of you in the coming weeks and months. Shukriya.